Hello Spider Peeps. Okay, this is another AliExpress purchase. Not a haul, this is just a single thing. Let's get it out. And this is an EDC thing, but a little bit different. Quite hard to get. It was quite hard for me to find a product like this. But you'll see what it is. I mean, multifunctional scissors, that's it. It's pretty much an over-engineered box, but I'm just hoping these scissors aren't massive. But we'll see. And then I'll explain. Ah, that's it. They're the sort of size I wanted them to be. All right, so you notice the leatherman vibe. So I have wanted... Is there anything else in here? A little pouch. And some instructions. Always check the other side. Okay, I've always liked Swiss Army knives, as most lads have. And I've liked leatherman as well, but although I'm saying this is an EDC, I'm really uncomfortable with carrying a knife. It's not me, but I wanted to have a tool like this that wasn't necessarily just a knife. So the fact that these are scissors is a little bit different. I mean, I've got little knives like that and stuff, and obviously I use knives, but I just wanted to find a leatherman that had scissors. And although they do some medical surgical folding scissors, I wanted the whole leatherman aesthetic as well. Now I think this has also got a thing where you can put a blade in it, but I don't want to put a blade in it. But if it's what I think it is, we're okay. So what's this bit? This is, there's quite a hard point on that. Right, so there are some cutting tools on here, but it's not all about the knives. Yeah, so that's something that you can do your nails on. That is a box cutter apparently. So it's not a knife though as such, is it? So that's okay. What else is in it? Not actually a lot in there, I don't think, on that side. But that's fair enough. Oh, this is a window breaker. That doesn't sound dodgy at all. Yeah, but I get it. It's if you need to break out of a car window if there's a problem. Just a point there to get that. That's pretty cool. So what have we got on the other side? So this is the bit that I was slightly unnerved by. So there's like a scalpel blade on it. It looks like the same sort of fitting as a scalpel blade, but a bit bigger one. But because I saw it was a knife like that, it means that I can take it off. So I'm not carrying a knife, but I'm carrying a tool that I can use to cut things, which is okay. But yeah, carrying a scalpel around with you is pretty dodgy, isn't it? So yeah, that's coming off for me using it. What else have we got this side? We've got a rope cutter. That's useful. So if we've not got a knife on it, we can still use that. If we've got some cordage, who am I? If we've got some cord, or probably like a tag in a shop, when you've bought something and you want to remove the tag, it's that sort of thing. I think I'm just looking for something that I could test that on. And I can't see anything. It's not really the same, but a little bit of 3D filament there. But that looks a little bit like a cable tie. So I'm hoping we can just do that with it. Yeah, so that would be perfect for that. So there should be some tweezers in here somewhere, which to be honest is the thing that I used the most when I had a Swiss Army knife. Just got to locate them. I'm sure they're here somewhere. What's that bit? Oh, Oh, that's the key ring. That's to attach it to your keys. Okay. This feels nice actually. I like this. It does have the vibes of a Leatherman. I've just got, where's the tweezers? Come on, they're in here somewhere. Are you shouting out at me to say the tweezers are there, SpiderMaf? Ah, there we go. Yeah, these were some of the most useful. You can barely see them, can you, on the camera? These are some of the most useful tools that I used to have when I used to have another Swiss Army knife. But yeah, this bit of a modern take on it. And for me, pretty perfect. So there's a little pack that, oh, spare scalpel blades. There's a little pack that I can put there so I can have it on my belt. I might actually remake that out of leather, I think. I've seen them on Amazon for about £30. I found this on Ali for 15, just over £15, but you had to pay about another £5 postage. So I got this delivered from Ali direct. I didn't do it in a haul or anything else. I got this delivered for around £20. I'm happy with that. The quality feels good. Whether these fittings will stay connected, I don't know, but it's given me a pair of scissors that I can carry around with me, and also some cutting tools that aren't actually knife blades. So yeah, really happy with this. So yeah, this is the Swiss Tech. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so I'm definitely pleased with these. So just a short video today. Let me know in the comments if you've got one, if you've found another like Leatherman style pair of scissors that fold like this, because I think, to be honest, myself, having a pair of pliers in a Leatherman isn't as useful as something like this. However, there aren't screwdrivers or stuff in this either, so I don't know. If you've found another product like this that has got Leatherman vibes, let me know in the comments and I'll have a look at that as well. But I think this is exactly what I wanted, so I'm happy with this purchase. See you next time. Bye.